Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be doing something a little different, and we're going to be experimenting with a weekly recap. So here we go. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I need some feedback. So alright, we're to the point now where we're becoming fairly sophisticated, and the topics we are doing are going to begin moving quicker. And for us to stay true to the channel, I don't know if I can remain doing just 3 videos a week. So now I'm hesitant to change this because somebody who's been around for almost a year, their feedback has been 100% accurate. So kind of going to be taking some need a lot of help here. So all right, SQL. So SQL is structured query language. So all right, you see and hear a lot about different types of SQL. That's a brand issue. It is the language that is used to search databases. That's it. So all right, I don't think we can avoid this any longer, so we need to touch a little bit on it. We're going to use a very simple database, unless there's absolutely no feedback and nobody has any interest, and then we won't spend any time on it. But it's important for us to at least know how to do so we can see it. Secondly, 3 videos a week. I don't know if we can stick with that. So the individual that gave me some feedback when I shortened the videos per week and we cut down a video a day, their comment was it was hard to keep up, get a little bit behind, and that is the last thing I want to have happen. So an idea that I have to increase the quantity, that maybe we do 6 topics a week with a recap video all lumped together. So you have an 18-20 minute video. If you don't have time during the week, can't stay caught up, you sit down and watch this one video, and you see everything that we have for the week. Then taking from my kids, which they have a lot of good ideas as well, either a tank or a snake game for us to build upon. So those are all the things that I'm thinking about right now. You guys are an awesome sounding board, but most important, this is your channel. This is here for you. This is help. If you have an issue, somebody else has that same issue. I'm trying to remember the issues I had, reviewing the notes that I've had, where I stumbled, where my breakthroughs were. But that's only a part of it. You're doing this journey right now. The landscape has changed from when I was learning. But I want this to be a place for you to come and find everything you need to know about Python. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. And if there's somebody is out there who has any interest in learning programming or Python, share this video with them, because this is designed for them, that they need to take bite-sized steps. So as always, and if you happen to be new here, you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because like we're probably going to start doing, we're going to start having a lot of videos again coming out, and I don't want you to miss anything. But you'll also have that weekly recap. So guys, can't say thank you enough. I'm blown away by the feedback and the views and the subscribers, because you guys have been here a while. You used to have to scroll a long way down to find my videos, so thank you. So I'll leave you guys be. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, feedback, telling me I'm way out in left field, none of this is going to work. Just let me know what's going on. So thanks as always, and we're going to look back at the NumPy library. So all right, a couple of times ago we ran a little script and we learned how to create a random array. So now there are going to be times that you want to either look at it a different way and it's for analysis, or worst case scenario, it was laid out wrong and things were transposed. So guess what? Look at what NumPy has for us. Transpose. Sometimes I like to leave out that S. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video at a time, one subject at a time, and we build upon it. So alright, it flips the array. So let's look at it. So right here we have, it is a 3 by 4, just like so. So now if we run transpose on this, it flips it on its axis, and it now has this being the columns and these are now the rows. For me, noticing patterns and things, this can be very powerful. And of course, then when you're searching and looking at things, seeing it from a different angle usually begins to solve that problem. So you're going to now see where we're going to start going with this. So just wanted to drop this in because this is time for us to start looking at this and visualizing and visualization and really starting to tell the story. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we got videos coming out all the time and we build upon them. Don't want you to get behind or overwhelmed. And we're just gonna jump into databases. So talked about SQL a couple videos ago, and all SQL is the language that we use to talk to a database. Structured query language. So alright, we are going to use, so we don't have any setup, SQLite 3. So alright, this is a built-in module for Python, and we have to do 0 setup. It takes care of everything, and what it does is it actually creates a file on your hard drive and has it act exactly like a database does. So now all we have to learn are the commands for Python to interact with the database. So we're just going to jump right into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. So let's just get going. So alright, SQLite 3. So right now I'm going to show you how to literally just create a database with SQLite. So alright, it is literally this simple, and we're going to keep it very simple and abbreviated. So con SQLite, let's get the cursor out of the way, light 3 dot connect, and then right here it takes in a string, and we're just going to make a students database. Close this out and run this, and then so we just made a connection object. So now let's run dir on our connection object, and just like our files that we've used before, there is a closed method, which I'm sure we don't really need to do this, but for being closes the connection method for the connection. So alright, con dot close. Run this. There we go. And let me just show you. So alright, here it is right here. This, what SQLite did, SQLite 3 module, it created a file, a database file, and named it the database that we told it to. It's literally this simple. Don't have to go in, don't have to download anything, don't have to set up anything. And next time we touch on SQL, we will be learning how to create tables, because databases are only a part of it. Then there's a subset of that, which are tables. So, and then we're going to learn more of the commands for how to create, interact. Here's a little precursor. Commit to what we want to do, and then of course just close it out. But it's literally that simple to create a database with SQLite 3. And like I've hinted around before, we're just going to start accelerating, get more complicated, and get more sophisticated. So all right, let's talk about KeyV. So we've touched a little bit on graphical user interface, and we're going to continue working with TKinter, but we are now going to jump right into how to build an application that is a cross-platform, works on mobile, works on desktops, and is extremely useful. So it's built in for touchscreen and mouse. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So it's pip install KeyV. Helps if you spell KeyV right. So all right, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do, one topic at a time, wide variety of topics, and we build upon them. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have tons of videos all the time. So, all right, I may have a little gap here, but this is what we do. You guys are doing, absolutely amazing with video requests, helping me know the direction that we need to go in. And I just can't say thank you, because every little step that and change that I've done has been on the advice of these subscribers, and my goodness, it's just been absolutely awesome. So that is how we install KeyV. So it's all there, and we will just continue jumping right in and going from there. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything that I've moved too quickly through, because that is the last thing I want this channel to be. I want 0 gaps, because every other source, this is why I made this channel, was because there were gaps when I was learning, and I said I got tired of saying I wish there was someone, I wish there was something, I got tired of it. I wanted to fill in the gaps in between these examples of that. It just seemed like a void, an unbelievably large void between this and this, with no whys. I hope you guys get tired of hearing me say why, because I want 0 gaps. So this is how you install KeyV. We'll jump right into it, and we're going to look back at TKinter. So all right, one of the last times we made our little window, we titled it, we sized it, but I prefaced that this is one way to size the window. Now I'm going to show you another way to size the window. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one topic at a time. So and you're gonna find geometry in here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this is probably painstaking for you because you're staring at it and screaming, but I know how to spell it. So let's look. Help.win.geometry. So boom, geometry, set the geometry, new geometry, width, height. There we go. So okay, let's do that. Then do win dot I'm impressed I spelled it right the first time. And this takes a string, 300 by 300. Close this out. Keep that uniform. And lo and behold, oop, can you see that? Nope. There you go. Boom. So let's keep our configure and check this out. Look what we can put in there. Background red. Run this. Boom. We just made, now we know how to do add color and have a different way to do shapes. So learned another feature of configure, and we learned a new method for our TK object of geometry. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. If this type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me too. And as always, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, because this is your channel and you guys are guiding me what we need to do. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.